Well, it's I think around 4 in the morning or something like that. Was the third try of me making changes. See how that back end is lifted. And I did it over time, and so the top's okay. I think it's gonna be all right. But you can see how far back it actually lifted. So I'm gonna have to, try to see if I can get it to stick even better. Finish is coming out real nice. This is set on like a medium finish right now. Stepping up to 8,000 at a time, or 2 mils. Front stuck perfectly. What's really cool is how it builds. You see this lighter part here. That's it's like a structural support underneath the actual model itself, so it doesn't sag, and it holds it in place, and it doesn't try to print at such a radius that it doesn't have support enough to hold it. Those should break off easily after it's done. Let me show you the top of it. Let's go on the side here. Does pretty good, those little fins there. It's just not trying to web them together because it's actually starting to form the first surface of the solid of the forks. Underneath of it is that bridge material that will break off later. You can see the other areas that's already filled in. Did a pretty good job with it. Even on this setting. I think I'm going to get a part. There's a program I use to do it. Simplify 3D. This is the control panel here, right here. I can minimize this, and you see the part that's this much been printed so far. You really can't see it. The green part is the actual part, this blue area here. But this other part down here is the actual, and that skeleton again, that bridged area. Alright, well, again, there it is. You hear the fans. Here's the first one. Here's what's left of the second piece, or the second try. Do the rest of the way, some of it here. This hood here is for the ABS material, which is over here. As you can tell, I got time. It's the middle of the night, and I'm bored watching this, but I'm glad I did. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye.